Hey, I just thought I'd give you a quick tune-up report here, Wetzel. Well, not really a tune-up report. I didn't really tune anything. I just kind of made some repairs. Right here was the loose solder joint that was affecting your ability to receive below channel 26, I believe it was, is where it cut out. So I just removed the old solder and applied some new solder right here. And that seems to fix the issue. Now there's some other solder joints on here that look pretty nasty, as if somebody may have worked on this radio before. You know, and there's some dust back here, but I found out which one was causing the issue, and I touched up a few more that were a little bit. See, these are the ones I was talking about. These kind of look like the board's been burnt or somebody's messed with it before. But there was a handful down through here on this little row where the legs would wiggle independent of the hole, so I went ahead and tightened those down just for the heck of it. And then we'll flip it over here. And here's what we did in here when you were here, but I'm going to include it in the video just to remind you. I said I did not wipe all the dust out of here because I'm out of electronics cleaner, but we reseated the wire for the center conductor on the SO239 here, sucked out all the old solder and put in some brand new solder. Repaired a broken leg on the resistor for the ground on the SO239, and your channel knob is a little bit dirty, so you may have to, you know, if it ever acts like it doesn't want to lock straight on frequency, you know, if you're on, say, channel 6 and you know that there's people talking, you know, just kind of wiggle it. I believe I've worked out most of the dust. I may put a drop or two of oil down in it just for the heck of it. But as of a few minutes ago anyway, we're on channel 1. Let's go channel 1 here. We got, turn her down there a little bit. Audio check 1 2, break. Receives just fine. And get this one up here, and we'll show you the meter here. Let me focus it. You notice there is no delay on key up anymore. Audio check 1 2, and transmits just fine without the farting noise and without the delay, which tells me what that noise was. That cold solder joint, it was basically just arcing across the solder and taking a second to kick in, but the connection was not good enough for received signals to pass through. So here's channel 1. Channel 1 did not work a while ago. Channel 40 down to like channel 27, 26 did. So here's channel 40. Transmit right here. Audio check 1 2. And received. Check 1 2. Loud as thunder. So you got your, and everything else still works properly. Dynamic squelch control and everything else works fine. So yeah, just a couple cold solder joints, and everything is good to go. I'm going to slap her back together here. Alrighty, so got the unit hooked back up here. Let's get a tone generator going here. Because I don't feel like yelling audio forever and a day. Channel 1, you can see, which is one of the channels that had issues before. Alright. Solder's had 5 or 10 minutes to cool, so if it was going to pop loose. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Come on. We're driving down the road in a big truck. A little too much feedback. Roger. So as you can see, the radio is functioning fine. Jiggling it around, messing with connections and things no longer makes it lose receive on lower channels, and still transmits just fine too.